I met this guy named Lester, and if you haven't played Grand Theft Auto, Lester is the guy in charge of heists, and that's what I want. The goal has shifted from buying the most expensive car legally to just buying it. Who cares how I get it? I'm running out of time, and heists are the fastest way to make a lot of money, so I'm gonna do it. When I started the heist, I opened the door to none other than Cobra Bubbles. Yes, that Cobra Bubbles, who is now literally our partner in crime. This is the first heist you can do in Grand Theft Auto, and our first task is to steal this armored car so that we can rob a bank with it. I hopped in the car with him. I really wish I could say that, yeah, this heist is all me, but frankly, I just got in the car